traders, how are we? Hope you had a lovely weekend. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Today is the 1st of April, Monday the 1st of April, guys. And as always, we're going to look back at Friday's trades. We're also going to look at today's trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Guys, obviously it's Easter. Right, so Friday was Good Friday and today is Easter Monday. So, you know, the world is on holiday. There's a lack of volume in the market, and this can lead to erratic price action. Okay, so I didn't actually trade on Friday. But let's take a look at the trades. Okay, so the trade ideas were as follows: Euro, Canadian dollar, and we were looking to sell this pair. So why were we looking to sell it? Well, we were in an uptrend. Okay, and then price contracted and then started to break down. Okay, we are now firmly in a downtrend. So these are the things I'm looking at, guys. Structure is in a downtrend. Okay, we've broken an important piece of support here. Okay, so trend tick, support resistance tick, candles. We have a nice big bearish candle tick. Do we have room to move into? A little bit, tick. Okay, so it ticks all of the boxes, guys, which is why I was looking to sell it. And yeah, we're just trying to take price down to here. If we drop down to the H1, we just didn't get a trade, because those of you who have been watching my channel for a while now will know that there's no better indicator than a structure break. All right, so if we're looking to sell Euro Canadian dollar, we do not want to see this. Okay, a break. That is a break to the upside. We are getting higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, higher lows. So this is where we're at with Euro Canadian dollar. So for that reason, the fact that it started breaking up, moving above the moving average 20, just meant that we didn't have a trade on Friday. Okay, so that was Euro Canadian dollar. So we wouldn't have had a trade anyway on Friday with this pair. And then we're also looking at some US dollar pairs. So the first one was Euro US dollar. We've been seeing a bit of Euro weakness and also some US dollar strength. And this one's interesting, but let me show you why we were trying to sell it. So again, guys, remember the things we look for, right? Structure, trend. Okay, so the structure is this, which means it's in a downtrend. Yeah, you can clearly see we're in a downtrend, right? Support and resistance. Support was broken. We had a nice big bearish candle, and we had room to move into. Okay, you know, what I show you guys, not rocket science. Yeah, these are the things I'm looking for. Okay, and these things lead to high probability trades. Okay, and that was the idea, to just come down to the next piece of support. If we drop down to the H1, well, this is interesting actually, guys, because this level here I pinpointed at the start of the day. Okay, and we got a break of this level. Now, some of us might have entered here with a view to taking price lower, and I would understand that trade. Okay, but on the H1, it broke. Okay, that is a clear break of these lows. But it's also very important to keep an eye on multiple time frames. So if you look at the H4 now, that same level simply did not break. Yeah, this candle closed back inside this level. The wick closed back inside, and the body of the candle, which I'm looking for, didn't break these lows. So that was not a break of structure. Okay, so that's why we do multiple time frame analysis. And then if we drop back to the H1, guys, again, I would say a structure break in H1. And this is where we're at currently. This is a higher high. Okay, so again, we need to see structure breakdown. So no trade there, guys. And then the last trade from Friday was New Zealand US dollar. And this would have been if it was a normal trading day, I probably would have entered this and I would still be in this trade. But let's see why we were looking to sell. Again, guys, yeah, what I'm looking for. Trend, yeah, downtrend, okay? Does it have a bit of room to move into? Yes. Has it broken this important support level? Yes. Is this candle bearish enough? Yes, just about. I don't like bottom wicks if I'm selling, but yeah, just about bearish enough. Okay, so we were looking to sell it. If we drop down to the H1, you know, I would have got in here, right? So price, we just follow H1 structure. You can see this level here. Then we had a break. Yeah, we broke this little mini level in here. Okay, so I would have entered here, but I would have put my stop above here, right? And I would have still been in this trade. Okay, but again, it was Good Friday. There's no volume. Price reacts, erratically. So we didn't trade. But yeah, we're still looking for sells with this New Zealand US dollar. So we shall see. All right, so those were the trades from Friday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my analysis and trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert. And also smash the like button, guys. We'd love to have you. Right, so trades for Monday, the 1st of April. Before we get started, let me mention our trading community. It is free to join, okay? We've got like-minded traders just like you, sharing knowledge, ideas, trades, everyone learning from each other. So please come join our free Discord channel. It's free. Just create a username and come on in. Also, guys, right now, we're running an excellent promotion on our VIP Trading Academy. We are giving it to you for free if you open up an account with our preferred broker. And also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you could become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's loads of perks for doing so. All right, so check it all. All this information is in the video description. Check it out. Right, so yeah, trades for Monday, the 1st of April. Again, guys, it's a bank holiday. There's going to, the world's on holiday. It's Easter. There's a lack of volume, which I keep reiterating means erratic price action. Okay, so whether we trade today or not, we shall see. But let's look at the trades that we are looking at. So first of all, I'm seeing a bit of Canadian dollar strength and Euro New Zealand dollar weakness. All right, and that's been the catalyst for our trades today. So let's start with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Right, this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, if we follow structure, we are clearly in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay, downtrend, and just look at this selling momentum. Right, let's drop down to the day chart. I'm showing you that because this is a little bit oversold. Look, it's had a real big bearish move, but it is a little bit oversold here. Okay, so, but I'm still willing to take this trade because of all that weekly bearishness and the weekly candles, and this daily candle followed by this candle with a bit of a top wick. All right, so yeah, still willing to sell this. And if you look here, guys, I've got a couple of targets. So I like a psychological level. So price that ends with 50, 50, or 00. Okay. So we've got two targets here. Could come to here or even back down to these last lows in here. Sorry, my big head is in the way. So there you go, guys. That's what we're looking to do. Downtrend, bearish candles, a bit of room to move into. If you drop down to the H1 though, guys, yeah, on Friday, price started building up. Yeah, if there's a bit of price action here, yeah, and then bang. Yeah, so really we're in an uptrend and we're above the moving average 20. If it keeps doing this, then obviously I'm not interested. Yeah, I want to sell this market, not buy it. So if it keeps, structure keeps going up, not interested. However, if this structure, starts to break down, we start seeing lower lows. So if it starts breaking down through this grey zone, we get a big bearish candle. Yeah, I would consider selling New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, we just need to see that H1 structure breakdown. We're also looking at Euro Canadian dollar sells. Okay, so yeah, if we start with the day chart, you know, this is clearly in a downtrend. It was a trade idea from Friday. It's still a trade idea for today. Yeah, again, we were in an uptrend. Price contracted. Yeah, and then bang, it's been breaking down ever since. We're in a downtrend. We've broken important support. Nice big bearish candle. And Friday's candle is just a continuation of selling control. Yeah, your job as a trader, guys, is to work out who is in control, right? And there's no better indicator than candles. Okay, and you can just see, you know, although this was a green candle, sellers are still in control. We've got a top wick here as well. And again, we've got a bit of room to move into. And again, guys, not rocket science. I don't mean to keep prattling on about the same things, but get this into your head. It's all about structure breaking down. Okay, you know, or if you're looking, if you're looking to buy, structure building up. Okay, and we're looking to sell. We want to see structure breakdown. Now, if we look at EURCAD H1 structure, this is where we're at. We're in an uptrend. So this grey zone through here becomes important. Maybe price comes up to here. We get a reaction, and then maybe price starts to break down. As soon as we get a break in structure, we can start selling. Yeah, I will start selling, right? Sell here. Maybe you can put your stop above the last swing high, take price down to this low, leave some money to run. All right, guys, so Euro Canadian dollar, we're looking to sell that as well. And then it's back to the US dollar pairs that we're still looking at. So Euro US dollar, nothing really changed here. All right, we're still looking for sells. So if you just follow structure, yeah, firmly in a downtrend. Yeah, you don't have to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend. And also, again, who's in control? Sellers still. Yeah, sellers. Yeah, and we bounced off of this, what was once support, now becomes good resistance. And we see this time and time again in the market. If you only traded one setup, let it be that. So yeah, looking for sells back down to here. If we drop down to the H1, again, price here has has built up, and that's not what we want to see. We want to see it break down. I mean, if we look at the H4, I mean, really, we have a trade now. Yeah, so price has, broken down. Yeah, we're at this nice level of what was once support is now resistance. Yeah, and we got a nice bearish H4 candle. So is that enough? I probably want to see H1 structure break down, and it's not clear H1 structure. So what will I want to see throughout the day? This is what I want to see, right? So price has broken up, has built up. I want to see something like this. So I can see a clear low on the H1 structure. So if we get something like this, then I know this is the last low. And then perhaps we get a breakdown, and then I will start selling as soon as we break this level. Yeah, I need a level needs to become clear to me today. All right, and then we can start selling Euro US dollar. And then the last trade, before I show you the last trade, guys, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Keep the slightly mental editor happy. New Zealand US dollar. Yeah. Again, guys, we were looking at this on Friday. We're still looking at this today. If we drop down to the day chart, follow structure. Yeah, we are in a downtrend. All right, downtrend. If I zoom out, we got a little bit, I mean, you know, this is quite a conservative target, this first blue line at this level. And again, it's a psychological level 50. But price could quite easily make its way back down to all of this support in here and the next psychological level of 00. I know it says 02, but, you know, 00 is what I'm looking at. We're in a downtrend, and we had this candle broke these lows, and again this top wick on that daily candle is encouraging for selling. We drop down to the H1. You know, we've got a clearly defined level in here. Let me put this level in. All right, so this is the last sort of swing low of any importance, right? We follow H1 structure. Yeah, bang. Yeah, so this level's important. What I want to see, maybe price does this, and then we get a break of structure. Yeah, I will start selling. Yeah, and take it down to one of those targets. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Please bear in mind it's Easter Monday. Price can be erratic when there's a lack of volume. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Monday, the 1st of April. Happy Easter. As you can see, guys, as I keep prattling on about, yeah, the world is on holiday, all right? So must be aware of that. But there is still news coming out. So maybe you're in a trade. You still need to be aware of this news. So at 1:45, these are all London GMT times. We've got the S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI. So PMI is like inflation for business. So very important. And at the same time, we've got ISM Manufacturing PMI and ISM Manufacturing Prices. Okay, so must be aware of that, guys. That could move any of the US dollar pairs. But other than that, you are free to trade if you are trading, if you haven't had the day off. Guys, have a great trading day and see you again soon.